tikana korona muthutukanio register-ine ya aria magaikia kura.
And I think we are now getting very worried. We are asking the electoral board, where are the polling centers of the upcoming elections? Is the board going to go to the grassroots to get the club verification process done? And number 3, what format of petitions are they going to accept from branches that are not happy with the voter register? So for me, I want to urge the board to be very clear in their communication, to be very transparent in how they are managing the elections.
Na timu captain wa timu ya bururi ya anake athe wa miaka 20 Rising Stars Amos Wanjala arina matanya ati timu ino negeka wega mbitikaini cia gitaru kia Africa ya irathiro Sekafa gwetha tigiti wa AFCON ya anake athe wa miaka 20. Wanjala uria kwa ihinda riri arathakira kirabu kia Atletico Club Torrellano bururi-ini wa Spain etikitia athaki aria makuruhanitio timu ino mari na uhoti wa kuhota gikombe giki na kugata tigiti wa mbitika ici rita ria mbere. Timu ino muthe ni thakire ngucanio ya kiurata na kirabu gia FC Talanta kiharo-ini gia Police Sacco kuria mahotirwo na bao 1 gwa kibugu.
I traveled to join the national team for the second time, and everything so far is good. Everyone knows how to play. We have good coaching staff, and the condition, the environment we are in, everything is good. So we expect much better things. So the Kenyans should just trust on us because we are going to do a great thing this year.
Right now I'm playing in a good club in Spain, Valencia, called Atletico Torrellano. I've gained a little bit experience from where I'm coming from and also here. So like we are all here to learn and to play as a team and to win. Our expectations, we as players, as a team, we're having a target and we want to win the trophy, and qualify.
Na ngucanio ya muthia ya raundi ya gatandatu ya ngucanio cia ligi nene ya Ngeretha iguthwakwo tukuyu kirabu kia Bournemouth gikinyi